Resin casting part series number 4, and today a stackable pressure chamber shelf. Welcome to my workshop, and today's project I'm going to make a casting shelf stand for my pressure chamber, and the materials I'm going to use, remember these from my resin casting mold number 2. I cut extra especially for the shelf, and I already know that this fits into my pressure chamber perfectly. There's two different sizes. The thicker one obviously I'll use as the base like previously, and then I have to decide, am I going to do 2 shelves or 3 shelves? And then to support the whole shelf, I'm going to use this as uprights. This should be a quick and easy project, but vital for casting, especially if you want to do 2 molds at a time. My resin casting mold number 3, I did the adjustable in tube casting mold, and I've improved it since. Across the top I've put a little bit of a tension bar, so when you preheat your mold just before casting, everything expands and you don't want these discs to be loose. So that's just to keep the adjustable bushes in place. The first step is to do a few measurements. I want to utilize the maximum space in my pressure chamber, so a few measurements and then I'll cut all the material. Oh, I have a visitor. My inner kitty cat. Come to see what I'm doing today. Are you having an inspection? Hello, my kitty cat. I've done all my measurements. A thing I have to look out for at the end of the day when it's finished, some kind of a handle to easily get it into the chamber and to remove it. Okay, what I'm going to do next is just cut some timber, cut some slots, put it together, and then look at the handle. So far, so good. That will go in the bottom. This one will go in the middle. And then this one on top. So what I need to do is check my height and construct a handle for easy inserting and lifting. Well, that fits in there nicely. I've got my height worked out. Now just to add a handle, and then it's all done. I'll be able to do more than one casting. I'll most probably, these two will be my main castings, and then if I need anything extra, that will go in there. Very happy with that. So let's do the handle. I've got this piece of steel wire. I reckon this will be strong enough, and that would make the ideal handle. It will go in on the side and it will swivel. So if it's hanging on this side, you just lift it up or swivel it up and lift it out. I reckon that will do the job. I'm very happy with that. It's got a bit of a swivel handle, easy to swivel and easy to lift and insert. Resin casting mold stand done. Very happy with that. Excellent. The resin casting series conclusion, that will be video number 5. By then I will have tested all the molds and give feedback and show examples. This was mold number 1 from the first episode. Mold number 2. Mold number 3, and then today's shelf. And then as usual, the admin thing. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me have them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, lekker and happy casting.